Year-end is approaching, and we're here to provide the tips and tricks you need to make it run smoothly. Oftentimes, unplanned payroll needs arise at year-end. With Expedited Payroll, you can process same-day debit payroll if approval is completed online before 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, or next-day debit payroll if approval is completed before 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you missed your payroll processing date, you can access Expedited Payroll by clicking the Expedited Payroll banner on the account dashboard. On the setup screen, you'll be able to edit the pay period as needed and enter the check date. Depending on your account and the type of expedited payroll needed, you may be prompted to accept an additional fee for the expedited transaction. Once accepted, you'll be able to preview and approve your payroll. As always, we're here to support you if you have any questions. You can review our online help articles, launch an on-screen walkthrough, or watch a video. You can also chat, call, or send us a message. Be sure to click the Resource Center for additional walkthroughs, videos, and guides.